Yo, welcome back everybody. So, as it's Easter Sunday tomorrow, I thought why not get myself in the mood, and today we're going to be doing some Easter Egg DIY. So, for all of you who don't know, basically I've seen this advertised on YouTube and whatnot, and basically it's an Easter egg and you fill the insides with whatever your fancy, so it could be like ice cream, chocolate, whatever. So, that's what we're going to do today. This is going to be fun. But first, you're probably wondering, what do we need to make this Easter egg sundae? Well, I'll tell you right now. Firstly, grab an Easter egg of your choice. Can be small, medium, large, milk chocolate, white chocolate. Not first, but whatever you're happy with. Secondly, get some squirty cream and some sauce, again, of your choice, for the toppings of what you would like. I've gone with milk chocolate. So, as you can see, white chocolate and milk chocolate, I think it's a good combination. Thirdly, if you like some details on your Easter egg sundae, why not go with some fan wafers and some chocolate and curls, which I decided to go for. And last but not least, the main ingredient is the ice cream, what you're going to be putting in the middle. Again, it can be entirely up to you, but I've gone with simple vanilla. Right guys, so the first step to this is obviously take out your Easter egg and find something suitable which will hold the egg. So I've just gone with my cup, which I did in my buying every ad. Yeah. So let's see if this fits. We're going to get the egg. Take it out of the box. Okay, don't move around that much, so I think we'll be okay for that. Now, this could go totally wrong. You need to now crack the top of the egg. So either this will go really well, or I'll end the video right here. Right now guys, I got the spoon, let's start cracking. Oh, I don't know if I'm going to do a hard crack or let's just... That dented it. Wow, that's harder than I thought. Okay. We're getting there, boys and girls. This is a very tough egg. I'm going to make loads of mess because I don't want to take the egg off too much. But so far, I don't have to be perfect. As long as you crack the top. Well, yeah, that seems good to me. I'll just eat all the all the crumbs, you know. Right then. So far, we're looking good. Secondly, let's fill this with ice cream. Now, this is going to be funny because I haven't got an ice cream scoop, so I'm going to use a ladle. I don't know whether this will work, turn out the same, but we'll give it a go. We got half a scoop. That's good enough for me. You're not going to see that anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, let's see if we get a bit more in. Okay, that one scoop, we're just scrunching up the ice cream. I'll say one more scoop in there guys, we should be good. So yeah, maximum, depending on what size egg you get. You get a small, medium, or depending on how many scoops you want in. Okay, we can maybe get one more. Yeah, we'll say 4. That will do me. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Right then. Right then guys, after the ice cream is in there, as you can see, I think now it's time for some whipped cream. I think the plan of action is whipped cream, wafers and curls, chocolate sauce, so it should be good. Let's see, I'm going to try and do it a swirl if I can. Oh, and we're done, okay. Looking good guys, it's looking good. Ooh. We don't want to go too dramatic now, because you know, we're going to lock up. Oh my goodness me. Right then, the whipped cream is on. As you can see, there it is. Oh, now I think it's time for some curls and some wafers. Yeah. Open these bad boys. Right then, I'm thinking one there, one there, hopefully it will stay. And I'll get one of these fan wafers. There we go. Maybe stick that like so. I'm quite happy with that so far. I don't know what the theme is I'm going for here.
If you like pina colada, getting caught in the rain. If you're not into yoga, if you have half a brain.
Oh, okay. I like it. Put that on. Now, it is time for the chocolate sauce. I'm just going to drizzle this. Let me make sure there's not a... yeah, see? Yeah, make sure you're doing this in a suitable place because you do get quite a lot of stuff everywhere. If you're quite messy like me, it's gone all over the place. But let's quickly get this open if I can. I always do this, I'm so tight. Yeah, just testing it to make sure, you know, it's all good. Right then, I think we're just going to drizzle this. Maybe go back and forth, maybe. I get that effect on the go. Yeah, not bad, not bad. How are we looking? How are we looking? I've kept it on the saucepan, which is good. But yeah. I think we should put a Reese's on there. Just I don't know. I feel like it's missing something. What's it missing? I feel like one of these chocolate cows. Ooh, what? A lot of chocolate sauce. Why does the cream keep melting for? I don't know. I'm probably going to end up like there's loads of cream. Oh, stay. Oh, stop it. Get off. Right. Put some more chocolate sauce on, and then we should be good to go. Nice. Rightio guys, I'm quite happy with that if anyone wants to get a quick look. So yeah, fun little experiment you can do at home if you fancy. So if you like this kind of video, please let me know on some Easter Egg D.I.Y. And thank you all for watching. Maybe turn it around so you get a better view if it don't fall over. There it is. Probably could have done with some more toppings, but you know, I'm going to enjoy eating this because, you know, it's kind of messy. But yeah, and I hope you all have a good Easter. And comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.